Everyone, welcome to Agila's Insights, a channel for lifelong learning. Thanks for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing the channel. Eye-friendly online classes. Today we will discuss how to make our online classes eye-friendly. This video is not only for the students who study through online, but also for the professionals who work from home and for the one who have prolonged exposure to the electronic gadgets like computer, laptop, mobile phones, etc. So after this discussion, you all will know how to take good care of this delicate organ of sight to maintain optimal vision, particularly in the current challenging circumstances of lockdown and continuous online classes. The five senses include sight, sound, taste, hearing, and touch. The eye is our organ of sight. It is a pair of sensory organs responsible for sight. Let us now recap the process of vision. It is same like our camera. Light enters the eye through cornea, then the light passes through the pupil. The amount of light passing through is regulated by the iris. The light then hits the lens. The lens focuses the image to retina through the vitreous humor. The retina transforms this image into electrical impulses that are carried by the optic nerve to the brain in the visual cortex, which assembles the signals into the images. That is what we see. This is vision process. No matter how well the rest of the eye is functioning, if the cornea is scarred, clouded, or distorted, vision will be affected. Computer Vision Syndrome, CVS. Yes, the CVS is nothing but the strain on the eyes that happens when you use a computer or digital device for prolonged periods of time. Anyone who has spent a few hours on the computer has probably felt some of the effects of prolonged use of the computer or other digital technology. Some of the symptoms of this CVS, computer vision syndrome, includes eye strain or fatigue, irritated, dry, itchy, burning eyes, headache, sore shoulders or neck. Why screens are harmful for eyes? Since ophthalmologists and pediatricians from many countries are reporting alarming rise in vision-linked health issues among the youth, both kids and teenagers. Firstly, spending long time on the near object can cause an increase in myopia. Myopia means nearsightedness. Secondly, eyes are focused at a fixed distance for a long time. But in day-to-day life, our focus through eyes changes. Like we focus at the object near distance, far distance, or intermediate distance. Whereas while watching a screen, everything is happening at a fixed distance. This can cause eye muscle fatigue and weakness. Thirdly, we forget to blink eyes. When we are concentrating the contents on the screen, the eyes become dry and then reflex watering to start. Fourthly, the blue light coming from a screen can cause harm to the retina, particularly when the screen is being seen in a dark room. This has the potential to cause macular degeneration. The question arises how to take care and protect eye during online classes or work, or how to protect my eyes during prolonged screen time. Here we have some guidelines to care our eyes. First guideline, blinking movement. Usual eye blink is about 12 to 14 times in 1 minute. When we concentrate more while reading, watching videos on screen, the blinking rate reduces. This results in itchy and dry eyes. So we should open and close the eyelids for 10 times for every 30 minutes to keep our eyes moist. This moist prevents irritation of the eye. The second guideline is palm massage. Every muscles are stretched extensively due to close watch of the screen. Also, due to exposure of screen light for a longer time. Pressing the palms against one another to generate some warmth and placing them on the eyelids is a wonderful exercise that reduces viewing strain. Third guideline is proper lighting. Sufficient natural illumination is required. We can open the windows for natural sunshine for morning classes or work. For the evening classes or work, use warm light sources instead. The next guideline is distancing devices. Looking closely at a monitor for more time will affect retina and optic nerve. Hence, the gadgets should be kept at least 18 to 24 inches away from the eyes. We should sit in an erect posture and place the device at eye level. The next guideline is comfortable size of the text. Increase and decrease the font size of the texts as per your comfortable viewing. Do not strain the eye with respect to the font size of the text. Generally 14 point is optimal, but 12 point also is comfortable. This depends upon the video or the presentation on the screen. Next guideline is focus on different objects. We have to follow the 20-20-20 rule. What is this 20-20-20 rule? Every 20 minutes, focus on an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds. I'll repeat. Every 20 minutes, focus on an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This is called as 20-20-20 rule. Ophthalmologist suggests getting up and moving around for 5 minutes every hour, looking at the farthest objects available, and think about the three-dimensionality of the space around you will help us. The last guideline is maintain good diet. All vitamins and micronutrients are important for the body, but certain ones are particularly important for the eyes. These include vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein, and omega fatty acids. These are naturally found in diet like carrots, beetroot, mango, papaya, citrus fruits, amla, green leafy vegetables, almonds, egg, fish, etc. From this video, we understood how to take care of our eyes during online classes, online work, or the one who uses gadgets continuously for entertainment, etc. If you like this video, comment and share, subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notifications. Take care and be safe.